So this is another problem of cube where the section plane is not given. At the place of section plane, the true shape of the section is given. So it is cube of length, sides 30 mm. So 30 mm is the length of side, height will be also 30 mm because it is a cube. Resting on one of the face on HP. So it is resting on one of the face on HP. You will get the true shape of the face from the top view, with all the vertical faces equally inclined to VP. So all the vertical faces, all these vertical faces are equally inclined. So 45, 45, 45 and 45. So all these will be 45 degrees inclined. Curved by an AIP. AIP is perpendicular to VP. So it will be, section plane line will be here. So in such a way that the true shape of the section is a regular hexagon. Now to get a hexagon, at least 6 sides should be cut of this cube, and that should be equally cut. So how it is to be cut? Let us see. So that section plane, to get a hexagon, that section plane must pass from the midpoint of this, and from the midpoint of this, should pass from here, or it can be from here, here and here. You can draw it like this or like this. So it should be midpoint of this, midpoint of this and midpoint of this. So this should be the section plane, or you can draw it like this. So this should be the section plane. So it should be midpoint of this and midpoint of this. Now here the base is cut 1, 2 and 4, 1. So this should be 4, 1. This should be 1, 2. Here the fully cut. Then here it is cut 6, 7, 8 and 6, 7. So this will be the sectional top view. And if we draw the true shape of the section, draw a line parallel to this, project these points. This should be 90 degrees. Again I am repeating it. So you can project these points. So here, here, and we will get this as regular hexagon. So this will be the regular hexagon. So you can find this as the regular hexagon. So to get the hexagon, your section plane must pass from the midpoint of this, the midpoint of this and the midpoint of this, or you can draw it on this side also, midpoint of this and midpoint. So you will get the true shape as the regular hexagon. So here again the section plane is not given. At the place of this, the shape of, true shape of section is given. True shape of section is a regular hexagon, and to get a hexagon at least 6 sides cut. So 2 here, 2 here and 2 here. So we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points, and you will get a regular hexagon.